I ain't gonna cap to y'all, this is definitely one of the ones. We got some red wine braised short ribs. These will fall off the bone, tender and absolutely amazing. Full recipe link in my bio. So first things first, we just want to prep our vegetables. We got to keep it a little healthy, so I went in with some celery, carrots, and some onions. Got those nice and diced up and to the side. Now we're going to season up our short ribs. Make sure it's nice and seasoned like this. You want to get each and every side. Now we're just going to sit those on all sides until you get a crust, something like this. Now we're going to throw in those vegetables, soak up all that fine at the bottom, get all that flavor. Add in some tomato paste and some red wine. And we're here for a good time, so pour yourself up a glass. Add in some beef broth. We're going to throw back in our short rib. Hit that with some thyme, rosemary, sage, and garlic. We're going to cover this up and let this cook in the oven for 2.5 hours. It should come out nice and tender like this to the point where the bone fell off while it was cooking, as you can see. We're going to strain that and use the juice to make a gravy. Pair that with some mashed potatoes, and there you have your red wine braised short ribs. This is the perfect comfort meal. Y'all are going to love this. And one thing about it, two things for sure, Chef D the real GOAT. Make sure you follow for more, no cap.